Many women worry when their menstrual cycle becomes irregular. A delayed period, skipped cycles, unexpected bleeding. Questions immediately arise. Is something wrong with my body? Is it a hormonal problem? Should I see a doctor? In today's video, we will clearly understand why periods become irregular, when it is normal, and when medical attention is necessary. A normal menstrual cycle usually occurs every 21 to 35 days. Some variation is completely normal. Menstrual cycles are controlled by a delicate interaction between the brain, hormones, ovaries, and uterus. If any part of this hormonal communication changes, periods may become irregular. Occasional irregularity is common, especially during certain life stages. Not all irregular periods indicate disease. Some normal causes include: first is stress. Emotional stress affects the brain's hormone center, temporarily delaying ovulation. Second point is weight changes. A rapid weight loss or gain can disturb hormonal balance. Third point is excessive exercise. Very intense physical activity may suppress menstruation. Fourth point is adolescence. Teenage girls often experience irregular cycles for the first few years after menarche. Fifth point is perimenopause. Women approaching menopause commonly notice cycle changes. These situations are often temporary. Irregular periods frequently result from hormonal disorders. Common examples include polycystic ovary syndrome, or in short PCOS, often associated with acne, weight gain, and excess hair growth. Next point is thyroid disorders. Both overactive and underactive thyroid glands affect menstruation. Third point is high prolactin levels. Hormonal imbalance originating from the brain. Hormones act like a biological orchestra. When one instrument goes out of tune, the entire cycle changes. One of the most important causes of missed periods is pregnancy. Any sexually active woman with delayed menstruation should consider a pregnancy test. Other reproductive causes include breastfeeding related hormonal changes, then ovarian dysfunction, early ovarian insufficiency. Certain medications can affect menstrual cycles. Hormonal contraceptives, psychiatric medications, chronic illness treatments. Lifestyle factors also play a role. Poor sleep, nutritional deficiency, chronic stress, excessive caffeine or alcohol intake. The menstrual cycle reflects overall health. Medical consultation is recommended if periods stop for more than 3 months. Cycles occur less than every 21 days or more than 35 to 40 days. Very heavy bleeding occurs. Severe pain accompanies menstruation. Sudden irregularity appears after years of normal cycles. Symptoms like excessive hair growth, fatigue, or unexplained weight change occur. Early evaluation prevents long-term complications. Menstrual health is often called a vital sign of women's health. Irregular cycles may signal hormonal imbalance, metabolic disorders, reproductive health issues. Understanding these signals helps protect fertility, bone health, and long-term well-being. Simple steps that support menstrual regularity: maintain healthy body weight, manage stress, sleep 7 to 8 hours daily, eat balanced nutrition, exercise moderately, seek medical advice early. Small lifestyle corrections often restore hormonal balance. Irregular periods are common, but they should never be ignored. Sometimes they are normal body adjustments. Sometimes they are early warnings. Listening to your body is the first step toward protecting your health. Awareness reduces fear and knowledge empowers women to make informed decisions. If this video helped you understand menstrual health better, share it with mothers, sisters, daughters, and friends. Subscribe for more science-based women's public health education because informed women build healthier families and healthier societies. Thanks for watching.